Hello guys, hope you are doing good. A lot of viewers had asked us to show how to create an account on GitHub and how can you add your projects. So I'm going to walk you step by step how you can actually do that. Okay, so first you will land on homepage of GitHub. Then you can give your email ID. So I'm going to use a new email ID, right, just to create the account. Can create a password. Then enter a username. And you don't want to receive any updates, you can say N. And then they ask sometimes small verification. Okay, so you can verify and now you just need to modify accordingly. I think this is this direction and then submit. Okay, then you get an option to create an account, right? This is how you start. Then you have to go to your email and enter your key, right? Once you enter your key, you will be able to enter your account. So once you enter your profile, you can go to your profile and update your picture, give your name, tell a little bit about yourself. Here you can write something similar to your LinkedIn headline, for example. And over here you can also add links to your social profile like LinkedIn or YouTube if you have a channel, Instagram profile if you're active, right? All that stuff. And you can update your personal details, right? This will be step number 1. Just go through these, right? It will be there in the profile section. Now you want to add a project. You can go here on the top right and just say new repository. Okay, first step. And then you can give it any name. Let's say I want to showcase some simple SQL queries or project. How can I show SQL file as a project in GitHub? So I'll say SQL queries or something. You can give it whatever name you want. If it's available, it will obviously enable you to create it. Okay, and then here you can keep it public or private. Obviously you want to showcase it to recruiters, so keep it public. You also have an option to add a readme file, right? You can write a little bit about the project over here. So I will also add a readme file and then just go to the bottom and say create repository. So once you do this, now we have a readme file also created. So in the readme file, we can go and explain a little bit, right? You can type like this project is about writing some queries on window functions, right? Simple example. Like you can go more in detail if you have written more complex queries. Write like 5-6 lines about it, right? It's a very simple way. And then you can also commit your changes just like this. And when you commit your changes, then you'll be able, if I go back here, you see in the readme, I see this project is about writing some queries on window functions, right? So someone who lands in this repository will understand what this is about, right? So this is step number 1. The next step is to add your files, right? So to add your files, you can go here to add file option, and then either you can create a new file or you can upload a file, right? In this case, I'm going to upload a file. So let's see how that works. So I'll click on upload files. And I've chosen my files. Okay, so I've chosen a text file for SQL queries and also a CSV file which contains the data, and I can say commit changes. Right, it takes a few seconds to process it, and now we have it, right? So if I go to my text file, this is simple, like as you see, just some simple window function syntax example. I'm talking about row number, rank, tens rank, and lag, lead, and average, right? So we are writing 20 queries about a project. Put the question here one by one. Below that, put your query, so it's easy to understand. And also, in case of SQL, add your raw data if you can, like I have added here. It is very simple. So add your CSV file, so they also know what data you're referring to here, right? So you can add a text file for SQL queries, or the .sql file, that's up to you. Text file is easy for anyone to read, and the CSV file which contains the data. Okay, so now going back to this SQL queries project, now that we have a readme file like which explains about the project, the actual queries, and then we also have the actual data. This is how you can create a project. Let's say you want to take it one step further. Okay, you have a LinkedIn profile and you want to also share your knowledge on LinkedIn about the project. What you can do is, inside GitHub itself, right, you can add a link to a video walkthrough of the project, right? You can explain about your project through a video, record it through some software. Let's say you upload it on YouTube. For example, how can you link it here in GitHub? I can go to edit, right? I have already copied one random URL from my YouTube video itself. So you can just say ahref and copy paste your link like this and say click here for video walkthrough or something like that, for example, and then close it, right? This is a HTML tag, so you also need a /a at the end. So once you commit this changes, it will allow you to commit changes. I can go back to Vyasaditya. I can go into repositories. I can then go into SQL queries, right? And here I have a link to video walkthrough. If I click on that, as you see, it will go to my YouTube video itself directly, right? So that way you can link it to your YouTube video, or let's say you have a Tableau dashboard on Tableau Public, you can link it to your Tableau dashboard and say, check out my dashboard here, and so on, right? So this way you can also showcase your explanation of the project in the video format or in a dashboard format. Same way for Python, you can add a Jupyter notebook file by creating a new repository and adding the files or a .py file. For SQL, you can use a .txt or a .sql file, and also for Excel, you can add XLSX or CSV, okay? This will be very relevant. So create new repositories for different projects, then upload your GitHub link into your CV. GitHub link is nothing but the one on top, this one, okay? github.com/your username. I hope recruiters will like it. The video walkthroughs will also be fantastic if they come to your GitHub profile. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, take care.